Hey, I'm Johnny from Johnny's Vintage Motorcycle Company. We are offering a 1983 Kawasaki KZ750 LTD shaft drive. We recently purchased from our customer last year. Our customer's son wasn't comfortable riding it any longer, and this would be a good everyday rider. It's got some scratches here and there. It's original paint, but it wouldn't be a bike you'd be afraid to get wet. Everything works. It runs nice. It has new grips. It has new handlebars, a new gas cap, new battery, fresh oil change, and everything works. I'll fire it up for you. It has 22,900 miles. Turn signals are working. Brake lights working. Brake lights working. High and lower working. Tires are decent. Got a small exhaust leak on the left side. Like I said, it'd be a nice piece of transportation. Nice everyday rider. The trip meter knob is missing off the speedometer. But all in all, it's a pretty nice bike. Great back and forth transportation to work or something. And several times right around the corner. Tires look good. Rear caliper rebuild on it also for the brakes. So nice piece of transportation, solid bike. So thanks for looking, and good luck, and possible low-cost shipping available on request. We're looking to sell it for $1,200.